Even lighting down in this lighting down, even if it has a sound shining, doesn't matter. Light shining down, sunlight going down, traveling 8 minutes to get to our sun. Sunlight shining down. It doesn't nice. Sun shining down. It doesn't realize it's a frown. Does it? Is it this? Or something that you can make afraid? It doesn't matter. Does it ever slatter? I know that meant, but it doesn't matter. Light shining down. Not inside. And not on the shrine. Not the light, no. Light is shining down, light down. Not inside. Morning will not fly. Sunlight, it will end. So nothing that will turn into the blue skies. When it comes up, it won't last forever. The light is shining down forever. Maybe not time. Try it sometimes. Light travels 8 minutes to try to get to our solar system. Things over side. Inside it light is shining down from the sun. Even with sunsets, sunlight's light is bouncing off the moon to get to our planet. Doesn't matter, blood moon or blue the moon. It really doesn't matter as long as the light is still shining down. It doesn't matter that it is shining down.